Hey everyone, and welcome to day 90 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. We have come a long way. It's almost been 3 months since we started this journey, and it's good to hear from a lot of you that these videos are helping you along the journey. In yesterday's video, we learned what branches are and how to use them in Bubble for building different features separately. In today's video, let's understand once we build them separately on different branches, how do we merge them to the main branch before we send it to live? Let's get started. Now that we've got multiple changes done in branch 1 and branch 2, let's see how do we combine them into the main branch before we can send it to live. So I'm in the main branch right now. Click on main, and then you can click on merge changes from another branch. It'll ask you which is the branch that you want to merge the changes from. I'll click on branch 01 for now. Click on continue. It'll ask you for a confirmation. Click on continue. And when you are merging the changes, it will show you what are the changes that has been done. So you can see that 3 non-conflicting changes to be merged from branch 01. So element 1 is all projects, property changed, text. Second one is this one. Okay, that change came in because I've added one more date field here, and that's what is being shown here. So this property changed, that is, it has gone to the next column kind of, and that's because we've added this. So I'll click on confirm changes, and then here in this particular step we will see if there are any conflicting changes. That means if I've made any changes on the same page, same element on main branch and also in some other branch, then it will show conflict. Okay, we will also look into that if possible. So I'll click on continue, and then it will ask me for confirmation. Until I click on this confirm, there is no merge that has happened, right? So at any given point of time, I can cancel the merge from here. So I'll click on continue, and click on continue. The changes from branch 01 has been brought to main branch. So I'm right now in the main branch, and you can see all projects being shown, right? We also have a field here which is for end date. Now I'll click on main again. I don't know why this opens up every single time. Okay, I can click on displays. I'll select more changes from another branch, and this time I'll go with branch 02. Click on continue. The same process is followed. So you can see that there is one non-conflicting change, and that was all users instead of users. So I'll click on confirm changes. It will also show you which page it was, and there is no conflicting changes. So I'll click on continue. It'll ask me for the confirmation. I'll click on confirm, and this change has also been included in the main branch. So you can see that this was users and it changed to all users. Now let's understand how conflicting changes happen, right? And for that, I'm going to create one more branch here. Let's call this as branch 03. Click on create. Once I create the branch, I'm going to make some changes in the main and also the branch. Okay, and for this, let me go to, let's say, privacy. And the text here is the privacy policy. I'm going to change. Just ignore. Okay, I've done this change in branch 03. I'm going to main, and for the same text, I'm going to add, do not ignore this. Right, in the layout, I'm going to make this change, right, let's say 1000, 1100 maybe, right? And now I'm going to merge the changes from branch 03. Click on continue. If there were any non-conflicting changes, then it would show us here. Okay, so you have nothing here to review. Click continue to resolve any conflicts. So next thing is going to be conflict thing. So it shows you that in the privacy page, the current branch, that is the main branch, the text is, here is the privacy policy, do not ignore this. And in the branch 03, right, if I select this and then select this, it shows here is the privacy policy, just ignore. So you can see which branch has what version, and you can tell what is the version that you want to keep. Okay, if I want the current branch, that is the main branch, I'll select this and click on continue. If I want the branch 03's version, then I'll select this and click on continue. If there are multiple things, you can choose which element or which property do you want from which branch, and then click on continue. So I'll go with the current branch in this case, click on confirm, and one final confirmation, and the merge has been taken care of. This is how you merge multiple branches. And this was a very simple example that we saw, but when developers are working on the same page, same reusable element, there could be multiple things that will be overlapping, and one of the developers' work can be lost. And that's why it's very crucial for all the developers to be aligned that they are working on different pages or different reusable elements, so that it's not overlapping and losing somebody's work. Now we know how do we merge different branches into the main branch before we can send it to live, so that main becomes the single source of truth for development activities. By using these best practices, we ensure that we do not break each other's work and then accidentally send these non-functional things to live. This keeps our app stable at all times. Take some time to understand branches, experiment a few features on different branches, and then merge them into your main branch. Share your experience about branches in the comments below or in our WhatsApp comment. And once again, thank you for being a part of this journey. I've seen some of you share your progress on social media, and it's really great to be a part of your journey. For those of you who haven't, I would really encourage you to do so. Not just to build your own portfolio and track your growth, but also to inspire others to join this journey of no-code building. Let's learn, build, and grow together. That's all from me for today, and I will see you in the next one.